Hello there, cruisers. Welcome and thank you for joining us with a further 3 new major stories in our popular cruise news updates from cruisehive.com. Here's the latest on the Carnival Horizon tragedy. Anna Kepner, the 18-year-old from Florida, found under a bed on November the 7th, now has her death officially ruled as homicide. Her death certificate came out on November 24th, listing mechanical asphyxia, matching earlier reports that it involved a bar hold type choke. The date of injury is now November the 6th, and the FBI met her ship in Port Miami the next day. No arrest yet, but investigators are looking at her 16-year-old stepbrother who shared the cabin. Still, Anna's grandparents say the two were very close and that he was devastated. It's all still unfolding and we're waiting on autopsy and toxicology results. Cruisers, what is your opinion on this devastating story? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Try and get your heads round this, cruisers. On November 22nd, aboard the Norwegian Encore in Miami, a 38-year-old Miami Lakes attorney, Philip Andrew Ortiz, allegedly lost it on a 67-year-old passenger during embarkation for a 7-night Western Caribbean cruise. The older guest told him a hallway wasn't open yet, and Ortiz snapped, shoved him, and the scuffle ended with the victim knocked out cold. Passengers had to do CPR until the ship's medical team arrived, and he was later taken to University of Miami Hospital. Ortiz was arrested, remained in custody as of November 24th, and Norwegian Cruise Line says a lifetime ban is basically guaranteed. MSC just hit everyone's sailing on MSC Meraviglia with a last-minute update on November 24th, as plans for the November 30th Bahamas cruise out of New York City are getting a remix. Because of planned maintenance, the December 2nd stop in Port Canaveral is now super short, with arrivals pushed to 5:30 p.m. and all excursions cancelled. However, the good news, well, Ocean Cay on December the 3rd gets extra time, now until 8:30 p.m. Guests are getting full refunds plus $100 on board credit per person, up to $200 per room. Nassau on December the 4th and the December 7th return to Brooklyn stay the same. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.